Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to automatically archive your Facebook stories. This feature ensures your stories are saved even after they disappear, so you can revisit those special moments anytime. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen for the 3 horizontal lines. This is often called the menu. Tap on it to proceed. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. This will take you to a page with various options for customizing your Facebook experience. Now, under the section titled Audience and Visibility, locate and tap on Stories. This is where you can manage all your story-related settings. Here comes the key step. Look for the toggle switch next to Archiving Your Stories. If it's currently turned off, simply tap it to turn it on. Once enabled, Facebook will automatically save all your future stories to your archive after they expire. Only you will be able to view these archived stories, ensuring your privacy is maintained, and that's it. With this feature activated, you'll never have to worry about losing your Facebook stories again. They'll be safely stored in your archive for you to revisit whenever you want. Thank you for tuning in today. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it with others who might find it useful. Have a great day.